Hello. The topic today is to find out the Cartesian equation with the trigonometric functions. Okay, so as you can see, those two formulas is a very, very popular formula in the trigonometric function. So that we're going to use those two to eliminate t in finding the Cartesian equation. Okay, please bear those two formulas in your mind. Okay, so let's go ahead here. Find the Cartesian equation of x equals to 2 cos theta, y equals to sin theta. Right. How do you do? Okay, well, some people may want to use, 2x equals to cos theta, so theta equals to cos inverse 2x. Well, that doesn't help at all. If you sub this in, still very complicated stuff, okay? It doesn't help at all. So what we want to do, as I've spoken to you earlier, okay, of this lesson, try to use the formula, okay? So what's the formula that I'm going to use? Sine squared theta, cos squared theta is 1, okay? I'm going to use this formula. So how you do, so try to make, firstly, square both sides here, okay? So x squared is 4, blah, blah, blah. So we call just number 1. Square second equations again, okay? So so y squared equals 4 sine squared. So we're going to add them together, okay? So how you do? So x squared plus y squared equals to that plus that. You get me? Now, we're going to factorize it by 4. So what is this one, guys? That is 1. It is always 1. So it is 4. Look at this one. X squared plus y squared is now 4. So no theta. So theta is eliminated for some reason. Well, not for some reason, because of the use of the formula. So that is it. So that's the equation here. Okay? So in taking this chance, that's the equation of the circle. There are the parametric equation of the circle. Okay? So x is cos, y equals to sine, and then the coefficient of the cos and sine is basically the radius of the circle. So we will use this one later on. Okay? So that's the first example of the trigonometric equation in finding the Cartesian equation. Okay. Next one. Find the Cartesian equation of x equals to blah, blah, blah. Okay, for this one, the good candidate of the question is, say, tan squared theta plus 1 equals to sec squared theta. Okay, so please bear in your mind, that's one of the good candidates of this question. Okay, now what we can do, okay, we can make tan theta the subject over here. Okay, so make tan theta the subject. So we call tan theta is number 1 equation. Similarly, okay, 3 sec theta equals y plus 4. So divided by 3. So that is second. So that square plus 1 is that square. Make sense? Okay, again, that square plus 1 equals to that square. So just write them. Okay, so first the square plus 1 equals the second square. Square of the second one, so we just use the formula. Just write it. Finished. Because theta has disappeared. All gone. All gone. Okay, understand that? So when you encounter a question in finding the Cartesian equation in the trigonometric functions, always try to remember about those two formulas that I nominate for you. Okay, so that's the best way to eliminate the parameter. You understand that? Okay, so that's the Cartesian equation with trigonometric functions. Okay, I will see you at the next lesson.